What's going on YouTube? Got the old Mongo Man. It is Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening I should say, after dinner time. Just making my way out to the garage here tonight. There it is right here. Oh, I put my finger right on it. We're gonna fix this and this. Check it out, see how we do this. Alright, so that's what it looks like after the fact. There's a patch here, there's a patch here. I welded the hole up there. That's what we ended up. Now I gotta figure out how to hide it, make it look like it's patina. Don't know how that's gonna happen, but we'll figure it out. This is what I gotta deal with on this side. See here is completely gone. Big hole up there. So I'll probably just cut this from here all the way down and around. Just take that piece out of there. Get that out of the thing. My phone is almost dead. I will stop when I get this piece cut out and show you what I cut out of it. And I'll show you the patch. Back in. Yep, that's what we're doing. See you in a bit. All right, so what I got in here and tapped along here with my hammer to find out where the bad spot ended. And I'm pretty happy with these marks here. I'm pretty sure that this is good. Yeah, get in focus. I'm pretty sure this is good material over here that I can weld to. Of course, this will all be good here. I could stop it here at this line, but I learned a while ago, you don't do that. Of course, I learned here. And I'm going to leave the inside piece where it is, that inside piece there. But I am going to cut that piece out of there. That's what we're doing. All right, so this is the hole I made in it. This is the patch I made for that hole. The patch fits right in here like a glove. Everything's nice and snug and tight. I'm going to go ahead and get that thing rolling in there. And we'll come back in and fix that right there, which is corrosion from the other side.
We have like 9 different colors silvers in there, so I'll just take that for the bumper.
All right, everybody, got the old Mongo Man here finishing up on a Tuesday night out here in the garage. I went ahead and went ape on it. We were talking in the comment section about whether or not we should fix those holes in the bed. And I took advice and went ahead and fixed the holes. So that's what you guys saw me do here tonight. And this is the passenger side that had 2 holes in it. Actually, it had 3 holes. It had 1 hole there, 1 hole there, and then 1 hole up here. So what we've got going on here right now, of course, they've been repaired. Everything was cleaned off. And it's been coated with a nice light brushed on coating of battery acid. We're hoping that that battery acid reacts with the bare metal and gives us the patina that we're after. And then we'll try and do something with it after that. So that's exactly what everybody should do, is fix a hole and then immediately cover it in battery acid. I suggest that for everybody. It's like, yeah. But this being the passenger side, driver's side, it looks a whole lot better than it did.
No lead fuel only.
Really happy with the way this came out. So This side is, as you can see here, it's clean pretty much up to there. That still needs to be cleaned, and essentially that's some lacquer thinner and some Scotch-Brite pad. But the whole truck will get Scotch-Brited and commented before we're done, and then covered in patina sauce, right, KJ?
Yeah.
So this is what the battery acid has done to my concrete in short time. So we're hoping that it reacts to that steel and gives us a nice, if I could make it look like that up on top down here, I think we got it made. And then we'll just leave it like that and cover it in the patina sauce and see what happens to it from there. So, yeah. All right, tell me what you think. What do you think about battery acid on a fresh patch, huh? That's the best thing I've ever done. Not really. All right, but that's it for tonight. Gonna try and put this video together before my phone dies and get it posted for you guys. I think this will make 8 days in a row and every day in 2022 so far that we've posted a video. So how about giving us some love? Go down there and subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel there. Give us a like, a comment, and be on the lookout for more interesting videos from...
You didn't even tell them about what I did today.
Aw, what? Kenny was busy today too while we were away. He got all the little itsy bitsy pieces painted.
You gonna show them the headlights?
The headlights are in.
You didn't even flip them over.
Nope, I'm not gonna. That's a surprise for whenever we put them in. All the little wee bitty pieces are painted and ready to go on. He did get the, if you look under the bed, way up in the front there, the hitch is ready to go. We are moving right along here. So the only bit of welding left to do is going to be there in that tailgate. Right there. And we'll get that tomorrow. Hopefully KJ will get everything else ready to paint. The bed should be just turned over at this point and we can get it primed. I think one door's done. You got one door done.
Yeah, one door's done. And I'll do the other door and set everything up tomorrow.
Sweet. And then, yeah.
Then we'll hit it.
Get it all primed, and then we'll figure out where we go from there. All right, once again, we're going to do the final finale for the evening. Do you want me to tell the people anything else, KJ, before I say goodbye? Say goodbye to the people, KJ.
Goodbye.
See you guys.